Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make this delicious pepper chicken feet. If you are interested, then keep watching. I'll be using chicken feet. I already washed them, so I'll go ahead and season it with some salt. I'll add some beef seasoning powder, some ginger powder, curry powder. I'll add some thyme, 1 bay leaf, some chopped onions. Add a little water. I'll stir it together, cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. For my pepper, I'm using red bell pepper and scotch bonnet pepper. I will use my processor to roughly blend it because I don't want it to be smooth. I'm also going to chop some onions. Onions is going to add a lot of flavor to this recipe. You can actually choose to blend your onions and your pepper together. Ten minutes later, the chicken feet are well cooked. I'll bring them out of the stock. On a frying pan, I'll add some vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, I'll add in my onions. Fry it for about 1 minute. Now I'm adding my roughly blended pepper. I'll stir it together. For seasoning, I'm using beef stock powder, blended crayfish, and some salt. I'll mix everything together. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. It doesn't really take long time to cook. So at this point, the sauce is well cooked. I will add in my chicken feet. Mix everything together. Allow it to simmer for a few minutes. This really tastes delicious, guys. It can be served with chilled drinks, even rice. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.